A Rosso Corsa red Ferrari LaFerrari rests like a coiled beast inside a brightly lit luxury showroom. Its silhouette is sculpted with purpose, low, sleek, and utterly aggressive. The front is sharp and aerodynamic, with angular LED headlights slicing through the curves. The central nose dips like a Formula car, feeding air beneath the chassis, while the carbon splitter adds both function and menace. Every vent, every crease, is born from Ferrari's wind tunnel, a dance between beauty and downforce. From the side, the LaFerrari's profile flows like liquid metal. Its doors sweep upward into the roofline, hinting at its hybrid hypercar soul. Large intakes cut into the flanks, feeding air to the V12 and electric motor within. The red paint glows under the showroom lights, highlighting every muscular surface and detail with a mirror-like finish. The black roof contrasts sharply, giving the car a race-bred two-tone identity. At the rear, the car's aggression peaks. Twin taillights glow like warning signals, while the massive diffuser and dual exhausts hint at the power barely contained within. The active rear spoiler sits flush, ready to rise at speed. Every inch of the back end is sculpted for control, cooling, and crushing performance. It doesn't shout, it dominates in silence. Step inside and the cockpit wraps around the driver like a tailored suit. Carbon fiber forms the base of the structure, while Alcantara and leather add Ferrari's signature elegance. The steering wheel is inspired by F1, compact, flat-bottomed, and filled with controls. The digital display pulses to life, presenting a world of telemetry, power curves, and speed. It's not just a dashboard, it's a mission control. With a 6.3L V12 and an electric motor combining for 950 horsepower, the LaFerrari isn't just fast, it's feral. It's the first hybrid from Maranello, not for efficiency, but for pure, relentless performance. It launches like a bullet, corners like it's wired to the ground, and stops with the fury of carbon ceramic brakes biting through air and force. The Ferrari LaFerrari isn't a car, it's a statement. A declaration of what happens when performance, technology, and art meet in Italy.